Okay, so, hindi na pasin yung book, bagong gising. We have a lot of PR kits that we need to open. Nagre-reklamo, magpadala lang po kayo na magpadala na kung ano ng libreng produkto. But, this is the biggest one so far for today. And I wanna open it. Nakalagay pa siyang fragile. So, let's check. Hindi na naman po ako marunong magbukas. Yung package. Kumari ko lagi nag-aabang nito. Interesting. Hold on. Before I forget, this one is from Loka Open. Oh. Uy. Okay. This is interesting. So this is the name of the business where I got this from. I think alam ko na kung ano siya, pero nahihirapan akong buksan. Yung bagong lipat namin na neighbor, may mga aso sila. And usually naiiwan dun sa balkon. So, may dagdag aso, ingay tayo. But that is okay. Ang hirap buksan, sis. Okay, there you go. Oh! Okay. So, this is a spice rack. A layer organizer. It could be a spice rack. It could be makeup rack. What do you wanna put here, babe? Ganito yung itsura niya. Ang ganda, oh. Very aesthetic. Yung itsura niya, hindi pa ako nakakapag-decide kung gagamitin ko ba siya for makeup, for whatnot, but I'll let you know. Per usually, lalagay ko na lang siya sa yellow basket. Guys, nangamon na ako. Comment down the questions you guys have about work from home, follow for work from home, chismis.